Hey guys, Fuller again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. This is a dealer build for the guys down at Vanderhay Brantmeyer. 2018 Silverado 1500 on some 20x10s and 33's. Let's go. Roll to the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big and the windows black. Got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets, Team Chances, the genie on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game. All right guys, like I said, 2018 Silverado 1500. What we did was put a 4-inch BDS in here so you can see this kit is actually the complete strut replacement, so you don't have a giant block or spacer on top there. And by having that 4-inch kit, we're able to fit these wheels and tires. This is the Dropstars 645B, so you'll see they're available in a couple different finishes. This one's black, so 645B, B for black. They also have a machined in black one. We'll get you a lip test here. Now, this is a 10 wide, 20x10 with a -19 offset, and you can see, if you go all the way back, for a 10 wide, this is a huge lip, so that's in front of the spoke, and if you go all the way back, you get basically a 6-inch lip on a 10 wide, which is just crazy. You usually don't see that. For tires, he's running the Toyo Open Country RTs. This is a hybrid tire, so you get a lot of good mileage out of these. This is a 295/55, which equates to about 32.8 tall. And 11.6 wide, so you can see you do have a little bit of protection there of the edge of the wheel from the tire. Stance-wise, it's poking out about 2.5 inches if you look right down the front there. So real sharp look on here. The rest of the truck is pretty much stock. We'll just show you the back. Obviously there's no fitment problems. Sits in here just fine. Did upgrade to the Fox shocks. We'll take you up front. Like I said, 2018, so the truck is brand new. It's still got the plastic covering everything in here, but we'll just give you a peek at the interior. Before we go up front, there is just a little bit of trimming. It just barely catches inside the valance here, so just this plastic part on the bottom clears the liners, no problem. The actual bumper is just fine. It's just the valance. You trim the inside corner there. Front of the truck is all blacked out, so you got the black bow ties, black grille. It's got the really sharp LED headlights on here, Z71 package, and that about rounds it out. So like I said, this is one of the dealership builds. You pick it up at Vanderhay Brantmeyer. If you want this truck or one similar, contact those guys or drop us a comment. We'll get you hooked up with them. And that is it. That's your 2018 Silverado 1500 20x10s and 33's. Peace.